If you hear this sound, run fast. No, that wasn't your dad in the bathroom. That was the largest lizard ever called the Megalania. And this next sound is even scarier. And the last one's the scariest of all. This sound's a Stegosaurus. They had small brains like Twitter users and was just as scary. Here's the saber-toothed tiger. One of the scariest birds to ever live was called the terror bird. This last sound is what the T-Rex actually sounded like. Sound will play in 3 and 2, but first subscribe. Here's the sound. You ready to go hiking?